Today's meeting, the Political Affairs Committee meeting, completely endorsed the view of Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji. Mr. Felero ji was a former External Affairs Minister, proposed that resolution that we should, all Political Affairs Committee should stand with Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji's statement, and he has never given a statement which is wrong. It is being only twisted by the BJP and those Gandhi media close to BJP, and that there are liberal medias who carry the truth. Therefore, the Political Affairs Committee has Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, Political Affairs Committee has passed a resolution expressing their solidarity with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And about the organizational things, Haath Se Haath Jodo, the program which Congress Party started on 26th of January across India. We had started in Goa, March, and the aim of that program is that going to each household and handing over a charge sheet about a BJP central government charge sheet and the promises of Mr. Rahul Gandhi after his Bharat Jodo Yatra. We reviewed that program and this will continue for the next 1 month also.
सी हाथ से हाथ जोडो अभियान जेन्ना आम्ही चालू केलं तेन्ना आम्ही एक फोन नंबर आणि ईमेल आयडी लॉन्च केली. आय एम हॅपी टू टेल टू द प्रेस मीडिया दॅट जी ईमेल आयडी जी आम्ही दिल्ली पळय आमकां खुबशे लोकांचे ताचेर ईमेल्स आयल्या इन टर्म्स ऑफ सजेशन्स वेअर पार्टी वेंट रॉंग, कितें आमच्यो चुको जाल्यो ड्युरिंग लास्ट 5 years, and that actually is helping us to build, to go in that constituency. थोड्यांनी तर नावां घालून धाडल्या की दीज वर द प्रॉमिनंट पीपल ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एरिया जांकां आमी सायडीन दवरिल्ले. आय थिंक दीस हाथ से हाथ जोडो अभियान चो फायदो आमकां खूब जाता इन टर्म्स ऑफ पार्टी. आणि एक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की आमचे सगळे लिडर इन्क्लुडिंग आवर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट ऑल्सो हेज जॉईन दॅट प्रोग्राम. ग्राउंड रियालिटी इज टोटली डिफरंट. जे आज बीजेपीन एक पिक्चर तयार करून दवरला पळय अच्छे दिन म्हणून, ही ग्राउंड रियालिटी उलटी आहा. सो आय थिंक दिस हाथ से हाथ जोडो अभियान इज एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग अस टू कनेक्ट विथ पीपल, अंडरस्टँड लोकांचे जे प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते, आणि इट इज अ मास कॉन्टॅक्ट प्रोग्राम.
हो सरकार हांगा आनी केंद्राकूय फकत प्रॉमिस करपाची, कांय करून दाखयनात. सो इट इज अ फेलियर ऑफ दीस गव्हर्नमेंट हियर एज वेल एट द सेंटर. They go on promising. You yourself have said so many things they promised. Chief Minister Nekut Musangle, Air Minister Tensangle. Azun, they have not executed. Loka interest na promises ato. Amche amdaranguhi, we don't listen to the promises. We want the work to be done in the state of Goa.
This taxi issue also was taken up in the last session. And they basically promise everything to you, but this exposes their failure. They are incompetent to handle आमगे गोंयकार जे आहे टॅक्सी भाव आहे with regards to MOPA or all ours is a touristic state. All these are Goans should be taken into confidence. All this is done without taking certain people into confidence. Yes, if there is a scheme which is in favor of Goans, we should compliment them. But looks like this government is not interested in the real wealth of Goa and Goans.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर पाटील म्हटलं की ते एक गव्हर्नमेंट ऍप इंट्रोड्यूस करतले म्हणून डिसेंबराक जाता म्हणजे जानेवारी म्हटलं पण अजून जायना. पण ते दुसऱ्या सायडीन खंय तरी जो प्रायव्हेट ऍप आसा ताका प्रमोट करीत सुद्धा
And they दाखवून दित न्हू. You all are all aware. So you all are all aware. As I said, they don't understand their jurisdiction. The tourism minister enters the port ministry. Jetty policy mokeli. Now they are saying this is not part of their policy in the answers that we are getting. So basically, they are all just trying to do these events. Only they are not serious, and we will definitely expose them in the coming session.